How to use credits on Mulebuy. Now, Mulebuy is actually a shopping platform where you can actually purchase anything online through Mulebuy. Now, for you to be able to use your credits, you'll have to log in first. Open up available web browser that you can use on your end and make sure that you're logged in into your Mulebuy account. Now, let's head straight first on how you can or where you can find the total amount or the balance that you have from the credits of Mulebuy. From here, just simply click on your card and then it will automatically redirect you into your account profile. And then at the left portion of your screen, just head straight into wallet. And this is where your um, credits will be visible. So for you to be able to use this, you just need to go back home from the home page and then just simply look for any product that you would like to purchase using your credits. And take note that not all products, this is only limited to a certain products or any type of products where you can use your credit to serve as a payment of the parcel or the item that you would like to purchase. And that's it. That's how you use credits on Mulebuy.